afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 55 says, which of the following is to be regarded as legal rights? Which of the following has to be regarded as legal right? Legal right means legal right means the freedom to sue and to be sued. So A, association; B, fair hearing; C, life; D, movement; E, worship. So which of the following is regarded as what? As a legal right. So the only right that is strongly under legal right is what we call life. That is right to life. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. And share, subscribe for more videos.